Hi guys, it's Miss Henson here. I wanted to quickly show you guys how I am using Padlet and Google Classroom to have my students write acrostic poems and share them with each other. We're starting our unit on poetry, and the first type of poem we're going to talk about is free verse. And so I thought it'd be a good idea for the kids to write acrostic poems about themselves. And I thought this would be a great way for them to share them with each other. So first, you want to go to Google Chrome. Once you're in Chrome, you want to go to Apps, click on Web Store, type in Padlet, and then just add to Chrome. And then the extension pops up right here, okay? Then all you have to do is click on the extension to log in and create your Padlet for your students to add to. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And because I am using the free subscription, I had to make 2 accounts because you can only have 3 Padlets on the free one. So I'm going to switch back and forth from one account to the other. So when you first log in, this is the screen you're going to see. This is what they call your Padlet dashboard. And to get started, you just want to click Make a Padlet. They give you lots of blank templates you could use to start. Okay. Lots of blank templates. For my Padlet, I chose wall. So you pick the one that you want, and then you want to go ahead and type in a title and a description. And I actually like this background. And then you want to choose your wallpaper, your background, and you want to go ahead and set some settings. So let's do that really quickly. This is going to be my acrostic poems. I kind of like this actually, made with no regrets whatsoever. So I'm actually going to keep that there. So from there, you can choose a wallpaper or background. For mine, I chose, for the one I'm using with my class, I actually chose this wall wisher down here because I thought it was really cute. But for this example, I think I'll actually just keep the one that they already have because I like it. Yeah, I like it a lot actually. So I'll just keep this one. And so I'll just click this back arrow. For post color, I'm going to leave it at Dr. Light. For font, I'm going to leave that the same. This symbols right here, what happens is if you select a symbol, it'll show up right here next to your title. So if I click this, see how it pops up right there. But I think I'm just going to stick with no symbol for right now. For attributes, I'm going to turn that on because I want to see which child is posting what on the wall. For profanity filter, you might want to turn on. Comments, I'm going to leave off because I don't want my students commenting on each other's poems. However, I am going to turn on reactions so that they can say they like each other's posts and whatnot. So from there, I'm going to press next and then start posting. So to start posting, you want to click on this plus sign right here. So let's click on that. And then you want to type the title of your post. Mine is Miss Henson. And then you want to start typing whatever it is that you want to share with the class. So M. Kind and sweet. So I'm just going to type a quick acrostic poem. Smart and funny. What can I put for H? Hard working teacher. Energetic. Energetic woman. No nonsense lady smiles often, one of a kind, gnarly. I think that's how you spell it. So there's my acrostic poem. And now it is posted to the wall. And so when my students log on and they see our class wall, they'll see my poem as an example. And you can actually continue and like I'll highlight the first letter so that they can see that it spells Miss Henson, since that's what an acrostic poem does. And so there's my post. So that's there ready for them to see. Now now that it's set up, I'm going to show you how I share it with my students. So what you want to do is you want to go right here to share, and you want to share, embed, or export. Actually, before you do that, for privacy, you want to make it public, okay? And you want to make it so that your students can write on it. So press save for public. And now you want to go to embed export, and I'm going to click right here, share on Google Classroom. And I'm actually going to switch to my classroom. So select your class. This is going to be an assignment, so I'm going to say create assignment. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to say go. And it's for all students. And the title will be Acrostic Poem number 2, because I've actually already done this, so I don't want to confuse this one that I already have assigned to my students. And so then I'm going to click assign, and then I'm going to click view. And then when I get to my classroom, I can go to classwork, or the students can click on classwork. And there it is right there at the top, their assignment. They would click on it, and then they would click on the Padlet. And instead of me being logged in, they would be logged in. They click add, and then they can type in their own poem, and they can read their peers' poems and like or not like their peers' poems. So yeah, that's how I am going to use Google Classroom and Padlet to have my students write and share acrostic poems. I hope this was helpful, and have fun. Bye.